In NSDEE 6.0, the modules view has been enhanced to support symbol file loading and view refresh. This video will demonstrate these enhancements. The refresh action is used to update the view after modules have been loaded or unloaded. This program dynamically loads two libraries. Note that the modules view is not automatically updated when these new DLLs are loaded. To update the view manually, open the View menu and select the refresh action. The view is updated and the DLLs have been added. Select the new entries and the attributes of the new libraries are displayed. Note that symbols have been loaded for the new DLLs. While debugging, it is sometimes necessary to load a different symbol file, or to unload symbols for one or more load modules. The DLLs that were dynamically loaded by this test program were built without debug information. They contain minimal symbol information sufficient for unwinding the stack, but not for finding source files. This becomes apparent when we step into a function in one of the DLLs. Note that the top frame in the debug view does not have a source and line number associated with it, and the source view indicates that there is no source available for the current execution context. In this case, an alternate symbol file is available that contains full debug information. The modules view can be used to locate and load the alternate symbol file. The Load Symbol Files dialog allows you to enter the path of the symbol file you want to load. By default, the load module path is used. Use the Browse button to search for the symbol file on the remote system. Locate the symbol file that you want to use. The Read Symbols Now button can be selected if you want the debugger to read all symbol information immediately. Leave it unselected to let the debugger read symbol information only as needed. This is known as on-demand symbol loading. On-demand is the default because it allows symbol files to be loaded faster and it uses less memory. The alternate symbol file is loaded. Note that module details are updated to show the new symbol file path, and the top frame in the debug view now has a source file and line number. The source will not be displayed until we select the frame. With the new symbol file loaded, it is now possible to step through the function, set breakpoints, display variables, etc. When debugging a very large application with many DLLs, it may be necessary to unload symbol files that are not needed in order to make room for symbol files that are. Use the modules view to unload symbol files. Note that the module details now show that symbols are not loaded and the symbol file is blank. The top frame in the debug view no longer has a source and line number. Support for loading alternate symbol files is particularly useful when debugging snapshot files that were created on a different system, or with older versions of the installed DLLs. This concludes the demonstration of modules view enhancements in NSDEE 6.0.